In this module, we're going to talk about the benefits of the Solar Tax Max plan and how to utilize those incentives. Now, the first thing you need to know is that there are some income requirements in order to qualify for the Solar Tax Max plan. It does not work for everyone. If you're a single tax filer, you have to earn a minimum of $50,000 in order to qualify for the Solar Tax Max benefits. If you file your taxes as head of household, you need to earn $65,000 or more in order to qualify. And if you're married filing jointly, you need to earn $80,000. Some homeowners are married filing separately, which would again go back to the single taxpayers earning $50,000. So those are the minimum income requirements that are necessary in order to qualify for the Solar Tax Max plan. Now, what is the Solar Tax Max plan? It is the extra solar incentives that a homeowner is entitled to above the 30% tax credit. You see, in the tax code, a homeowner can take the cost of the solar system and deduct it from their gross income. And that savings is the extra solar incentives. Additionally, the Inflation Reduction Act now has some legislation for when you use domestic solar panels, you get an additional 10% tax credit. So all of this can add up to 70% in solar incentives for the homeowner. And all you have to do is use the Solar Tax Max calculator on our website, a couple of questions to figure out exactly what that homeowner is entitled to.